Hello, creative kids. Welcome back. In this episode, we're going to learn how to draw an adorable red panda. It's a super simple and fun drawing, so step-by-step guidance isn't necessary. But don't worry, I'll share some fun facts about red pandas along the way that you're sure to enjoy. So grab your pencils and paper and let's get started. Even though they're called red pandas, they're not related to giant pandas. They belong to their own special animal family and are more closely related to raccoons and weasels. Red pandas have special fur around their eyes that works like sunglasses, protecting them from the bright sun as they climb around in the trees. Just like giant pandas, red pandas love bamboo. But here's the twist. They also eat fruit, acorns, and sometimes even bugs. Red pandas are amazing tree climbers. They have a bushy tail that helps them balance, and they can even climb down a tree headfirst. When they're not eating or climbing, red pandas love to curl up in a ball with their fluffy tails wrapped around them, especially on chilly days. Cozy, right? Red pandas are about the same size as a house cat, but their fluffy tails make them look much bigger. Fluffy tail blankets. Their long, bushy tails aren't just for balance. They also use them as cozy blankets to keep warm during cold weather. Red pandas are super quiet and prefer to move around at night or early in the morning, making them like little forest ninjas. Red pandas have fur on the bottoms of their feet. This helps them stay warm and keeps them from slipping on icy branches. To let others know where they've been, red pandas rub their bellies and tails on trees to leave a special scent. It's like their way of saying, "This is my spot." Let's bring in some vibrant colors. Great work, everyone. Nicely done. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. What were your favorite moments? Also, if you have a special request, please leave a comment and I will do my best to draw it. Until next time, stay curious and be creative.